can't get this thing to... There has got to be a better way to stabilize my camera.
Let's face it, this is aggravating.
Well, guys, I'm here to tell you there is a better way, and it's called a gimbal. All right, if y'all don't know what a gimbal is, you better Google search it right now. If you're a vlogger and you carry your phone or your camera around with you, I'm telling you, you need to step your game up to the next level. And this right here is the Osmo Mobile. Got this. I've got links down in the description where you can pick yours up, and it will stabilize just about any kind of video that you're doing, whether it be hiking, car shows. It does cars, it does people. It stabilizes whatever you're wanting to video. I've already taken it out of the box, putting it in the bag. You can pull out the components and I'll show you what's in here. All right, move the bag up. All right, so this gimbal is basically 4 parts: the main body, the tripod or the holder. This is what your phone mounts to, and then it will mount with a strong magnet to that. Charging cable, USB, and it'll plug right in there. All right, so make sure it's fully charged before you try to operate it. It's pretty neat. This goes right in the bottom. So these little tripod ears will pop open. Sits just like that. This here lifts up. Okay, I want to push the power button, which is the M on this one. Hold it till it comes on. So what I'm gonna do is go over the gimbal and what it will actually do. I'll show you the clock on the wall. And see, I'm moving pretty quickly, but yet it's still being very stable. See that? Yeah, that's pretty cool. And with the tripod, you can fold it up, use it as a handle. See that? All right. Flip this around. See my camera right there. All right, I want you to watch this. I'm gonna walk around it, watch it turn. It's following me. Sitting here on my couch, just trying to get acquainted with the gimbal. And I'm telling you, it's like somebody is behind the camera. And it's got the auto track on it. So wherever I move to, it moves. Now I'm telling you, that's awesome. Yeah, the gimbal is really holding steady. As I walk along, you can see it's gonna focus in on me right now, but it's pretty cool. I mean, it's stable as all. And when I turn around, truck's right there. Man, it's awesome. I love this thing. Head on over to the channel page, check it out. I've got over 200 videos. I'm sure you'll find something you like over there. Give me that thumbs up, smash the subscribe button. It really helps your boy out. Like I said, I will put links in the description below. Pick y'all's up now. It's super affordable. And if y'all do any type of vlogging, it's a must. You can't do without this. Well, that's it. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. It's a wrap.